All right, ladies and gentlemen, testing time. It's greased up, got my temp gun ready. Let's go do some testing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at a test brush pile that I saved. So we're just gonna see what we can mulch down here, make a mess, see if we can pull that branch out. I might want to move that rock. But yeah, so let's do something. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I made an official mess over there, but most of that stuff's gone. That's good the way it is. Now, I got this guy. I just stopped the mulcher, and we're looking a lot better. 164. So it looks like it's cooling off while it's breaking in. Got a good amount of paint off already, so that's good. This plate helps out quite a bit. Hard facing looks like it's doing its job there. Yeah. All right. Yeah, no, I hit a bunch of rocks already with this plate. I'll call that the striker plate. All right, so far so good. I don't want to bother you guys too much. But yeah, so the testing of the mulcher went really good. And everything's working the way it's supposed to. Temps on the bearings are cooling down. Yeah, I'm happy. That overhaul did real well. So, and yeah, we'll see how long this thing stays clean. I mean, as long as the paint holds up, should be good. Can't wait to get more paint off. All right, so that concludes this whole video series of rebuilding or disassembly, inspection, rebuilding series video, what you want to call it. So I appreciate you guys, whoever commented, reached out, and just everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. God, it does me awesome. So as usual, thank you for watching. I will catch you on the next one. We'll be doing something, maybe mowing, maybe doing something. All right, thanks for watching.